Wake up, Chinu. It is morning. The sun has come up. Wake up fast.
I can wake him up easily.
Stop it, Buzz. Meenu, Buzz is troubling me. Buzz, come here. Let us go and say hello to the sun. Oh, Buzz, look here. The sun is here. The sun is always here in the morning. It rises from this side. It is called the east.
What is east?
It is a direction. It is the side from which the sun rises in the morning.
Oh, the sun rises in the east. East.
Okay, let us all play a game. Let's all look at the sun. Raja, come on. Look at the sun. Okay, stretch out your arms.
What do I do?
Stretch your wings, Buzz.
Raja is stretching his ears. He is looking funny.
Look here. Now you know which is east. We are facing east. Now the direction on our left hand is called north.
Meenu, wait. Which is my left side? What is left?
This is your left side and this is your right side.
Okay, now I know. Left and right. Left and right. This is my left side. So this is north.
Yes, and your right side is south.
Raja, this is south. What is at the back then?
The direction at the back is west. That is where the sun goes down. It goes back to sleep in the west direction and it will come back again in the morning from the east.
Oh, can I say it once again? This is east. The sun comes up from here. This is west. The sun goes back from here. This is north on the left side. This is south on the right side.
Yes, Buzz. There are 4 directions. East, west, north, and south.
I now know left and right also. Meenu, I can fly to my left and then to my right.
Look at Raja. He is also running to his left and then to his right.
Chinu, we will sleep outside tonight. We will see the sun in the morning. It will rise from the east.
Okay, Buzz. We will sleep outside tonight.
What is that shining in the sky?
Those are stars, Buzz. They shine in the night.
There is one star on the left side, one on the right side. Oh, one there also.
There are many stars, Buzz. We cannot count them.
I like them. Oh, the sun is also there. He has become white.
No, that is not the sun. That is the moon. We can see the moon only in the night.
Where does the moon go in the morning?
Nowhere. The sun is very bright in the morning. That is why we cannot see the moon in the morning.
Meenu, look. It is a full moon today.
What is a full moon?
The moon changes its shape when it looks like a big round ball. Then we call it a full moon.
But on some days we cannot see the moon at all.
But today the moon is a full moon and it is smiling at us.
Come, let's go inside and sleep. The sun will come in the morning to wake us up.
Chinu, be ready. The sun will come up from the east.
Friends, will you remember the 4 directions? East, west, north, and south.
You can also stand facing east and stretch your left hand and right hand.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. Which is your left side? Can you stretch your left hand? Can you turn your head to the left side? Which is your right side? Can you stretch your right hand? Can you turn your head to the right side? Who is sitting on your right side? Who is sitting on your left side? Can you see the moon in the morning? No. Can you tell what the moon is called when it looks like a round ball? Full moon. Shall we fill in the blanks now? The sun comes up from the dash. The sun comes up from the east. The sun goes down in the dash. The sun goes down in the west. We can see many dash in the sky in the night. We can see many stars in the sky in the night. The 4 directions are dash, 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 and dash. The 4 directions are east, west, north, and south. The sun comes up from the east. The sun goes down in the west. We can see many stars in the sky in the night. The 4 directions are east, west, north, and south.
Bye, friends. Why don't you also play the directions game?